guys how to use the intense color action set. We're going to use it on this image here. So we have a few different actions that make up the set. The first thing we are going to do is the creative glow. So I'm going to click that to run that action. And I'm going to use a white brush, a soft white brush, to apply it to my image. Now I actually want to apply it for this particular image everywhere except her face. So I want it to be on her skin or on her hair and on her clothing, but not her face. So I'm going to just kind of quickly put it all over, and then I'll use a black brush to remove it from the areas that I don't want it. I do not want that on her skin. And of course you can lower the opacity to lower the intensity. So that's kind of where we're starting with this. That particular glow effect just darkens the whole image a little bit and then makes it kind of creamy and dreamy. So I'm going to flatten that, and I'm going to go to the next part of the action, which is extra intensity. And with this one, I'm going to apply it over the entire image, but I am going to lower the opacity down to about there, so you can see the difference that it makes. I'm going to flatten that out. The next thing I'm going to do is the dodge and burn it. In this one, I'm going to use a white brush anywhere that I want to dodge, and then a black brush anywhere I want to darken or burn it. So I'm definitely going to use this in her eye area. I'm going to lower the flow a bit and just get her lip a little bit. Might get the little highlight here on her nose. I'm going to use it to just slightly lighten up this shadow that we have here and this one here on her face, just a little bit to lighten that up. And then as far as her hair goes, I'm going to use it to just grab a few areas on this right side of her hair and lighten that up just a little bit. And then I'm going to use the black brush on a very low flow, and I'm going to use that to kind of darken this highlight here. I'm going to bring it around her face. Just a little bit. I really wanted this image to feel kind of old and gritty, and that was really the purpose of this action set, is to give you the ability to do that. So I'm going to just use my opacity slider to bring that down a bit. So I'll show you guys the before and the after of that. Maybe still a little too much just in the eyes. Darken that up a little bit, and I'll flatten it. Now I'm going to use the color intense, which you can see what that does. That just intensifies all the colors. It shifts the colors just slightly. It makes it, the greens very green, the oranges, the yellows, all of those just very true, intense colors. Now you can go in and you can lower the intensity of each of those separately, or you can keep them in a group and lower the overall intensity. I'm just going to bring it right to about there, and I'll show you guys the before and the after. I might bring that up just a little bit. There we go. All right, and then I'm going to flatten that, and then the final action that's part of this set is the Make It Matte. And I'm going to just lower that opacity just a little bit. And that just mats out the entire image. So I'm going to go to right about there. Flatten that out, and that is our after. So I'll show you guys the before and then the after of the intense color action set.